Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate steps. Make sure your system has the latest GPU drivers and you have admin rights. Once done, open Task Manager on Windows, Activity Monitor on Mac OS, or a terminal on Linux. This gets you to live counters fast. Next, enable the Performance tab or install a lightweight tool like GPU-Z or HTOP if missing, because seeing real-time numbers is essential to know whether usage spikes are normal or problematic. Now you will gather detailed metrics so you can diagnose behavior. On Windows, switch to the Performance tab, expand GPU sections, and use Resource Monitor for per-core CPU load. On Linux, run HTOP or TOP, and for NVIDIA GPUs, run NVIDIA SMI or NVIDIA SMI daemon for sampling. Glances aggregate CPU, memory, disk, and GPU. On Mac OS, enable GPU history and inspect per process energy and CPU usage. Make sure to sample during the workload to capture peak usage and note timestamps for later comparison. Finally, you will interpret results and set up logging to catch intermittent issues. Look for sustained high GPU percent or CPU percent, thermal throttling, and inconsistent clock speeds. These indicate bottlenecks. Log metrics with NVIDIA SMI loopms or a cron job that writes CSVs, and compare peaks versus averages to decide action. If numbers look wrong, reboot, update drivers, and retest with a known benchmark. As a troubleshooting tip, if readings remain implausible, try a different monitoring tool to rule out software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.